Using used cooking oil again and again can be fatal. If you are using leftover oil again and again for cooking, then I'm afraid you may be inviting number of serious diseases. On number of special occasions when puris or bhajiyas are prepared, some oil is bound to remain unused and we are tempted to reuse it for cooking something else after some time. But have you ever thought as to what harm is going to be inflicted on our body? According to experts, reheating of cooking oil may tend to release toxic substances and may increase free radicals, causing inflammation and may lead to various chronic diseases. Therefore, reusing of oil should be avoided as far as possible. Used oil, when heated to high temperature, it releases toxic fumes. Its fat molecules breaks down. Bad odor is released from the oil and unhealthy substances are absorbed by the food being cooked. When the oil is heated to high temperatures, some fats in the oil change into trans fats. Trans fats are known to increase the risk of heart disease. When the oils are reused, the amount of trans fats increases. When the used oil is heated to high temperature, number of reaction takes place which changes the chemical composition of the used oil, releasing three fatty acids and radicals that produce monoglycerides, diglycerides, and triglycerides. The toxicity of these compounds may lead to oxidative stress, hypertension, atherosclerosis, etc. Therefore, only such amount of oil should be used which is required for the purpose. Repeatedly using of edible oil leads to the formation of total polar compounds which makes the oil unfit for human consumption. Reheating changes the chemical composition of the oil. It becomes rancid. Toxic chemicals produced by reheating the used oil have been linked with the health problems like cancer, heart disease, Alzheimer's, dementia, and Parkinson's. Trans fats produced by reheating not only increases the levels of bad cholesterol but decreases the levels of good cholesterol. It is associated with the risk of cardiovascular disease, stroke, and liver problems. On heating the used oil, its color becomes dark. Food prepared in it also becomes dark. Its taste may become bad and starts pungent smelling. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining.